rare disease patients often experience a challenging journey, and even receiving a diagnosis can be difficult. 25% reported waiting between 5 and 30 years from onset of symptoms to a confirmed diagnosis. 40% of rare disease patients reported an initial wrong diagnosis. This resulted in an inappropriate surgery, 16% of respondents, medication, 33%, or psychological care, 10%. 45% of respondents reported poor communication about the diagnosis. Common problems faced by patients with rare diseases and their families include lack of access to the correct diagnosis, lack of information, or receiving misinformation, and a lack of scientific knowledge or appropriate monitoring. In addition, 95% of rare diseases in the U.S. have no FDA-approved drug treatment. However, the FDA has released data showing that 2014 was a strong year for orphan drug approvals in the U.S. And in fact, Novartis has a deep heritage in paving the path forward for rare diseases. Focus on rare diseases began in 1963, when a Novartis predecessor company launched their first rare disease therapy. Today, 12 Novartis-created treatments for rare diseases are on the market. Additionally, scientists at the Novartis Institute for Biomedical Research are working on treatments for more than 25 rare diseases. Novartis has established productive alliances with more than 300 collaborators in the academic, industry, and advocacy realm, many focused on rare diseases. Novartis has also been dedicated to fostering an open exchange of knowledge among professionals, specifically in the tuberous sclerosis complex, or TSC, and the pituitary space. Novartis currently supports more than 20 educational activities focused on acromegaly and Cushing's disease, and has partnered with the academic and advocacy communities to develop TSCA, the first global registry built to better understand TSC. To date, more than 2,000 patients have enrolled in over 30 countries worldwide. To amplify the voices of those living with a rare disease, Novartis bands together with rare disease communities to ensure they can be heard loud and clear. Join our efforts to get loud.